Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Ads Manager for Instagram. First, go to your browser and type in Facebook Business Manager. It's the first result, just click on it and then log in with your main Facebook account. Once you're in Facebook Business Manager, head over to Ads Manager right here, then click on Campaigns. After that, just click the campaign that you want to have on Instagram and click on edit right here. Never mind this. Then head over to conversion right here. Scroll in to find Instagram icon and click connect accounts. Just follow the procedures and you should be able to connect your Instagram account. Once you finish doing that, just click on publish right here and that should be all. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.